In this video, I am going to show you how to change your eBay password. Updating your eBay password regularly is a good practice for maintaining account security. Here is a quick guide to changing your password through the account security section on my eBay. Navigate to the Sign In and Security area, which is dedicated to your account security settings. Look for the Password section and click on Edit next to it. This action will take you to the password update page. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. After that, input your new desired password. Once you've entered both your current and new passwords, click on Submit to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your eBay password, adding an extra layer of security to your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.